So now, before we continue, some of you already know how to use the software. Very good. Since World Trade, because before now, if anybody subscribe to either Forex or synthetic, I always train the person one-on-one to fulfill all righteousness, to make sure that you know what you're doing, so that you'll be able to get the value of what you're paying for. Now, World Trade, it is free. Do you understand? And 90 of you guys applied for it and I approved it. And I called for a training, only 4 persons came. And it's not my kind of thing. I love to train you so that you understand what we are doing here. You understand? I hate guesswork. I hate gambling. So that if you're making money, I know you're making money with the software. If you're losing, I'll know that you're losing. Yeah, I'll know that is what I taught you that made you to lose, not the other way around. That is why I disabled everybody. So what I'm going to do today, the numbers of persons who are here, all you need to do is screenshot yourself to identify that you're here. After the training, all you need to do is just send me your email address. I will approve it for you for life. For you to be here and I'm going to train you, my conscience will be very clear that I've trained you on what to do, because I'm still using the software to trade. So if I lose on a particular trade, you're expected to lose. If I win on a particular trade, you're expected to win. So there's not going to be a different thing that I am winning and you're losing and we're using the same software. That is the reason why I'm taking my time to train everybody, because I don't want excuses. You understand? I don't want it. You're using the software, you're losing while I am winning. No, it's not possible. If the software tells us to buy, we buy. If it tells us to sell, we sell. 80 pips stop loss, simple as ABCD. That is why I am holding this training. I'm going to hold this training until I train all the whole 90 persons. Then any person that is subscribing, I know you're paying for the service, and I'll still give you the same services that I'm giving to these free people. Do you understand? So that's the reason why I disabled everybody. I know some of you guys already know how to use the software, but I want to fulfill all righteousness, to know that if you're talking tomorrow, I can tell you, show me the history of your trade. Then I'll be able to trace it and I'll know where the problem is coming from. Is it if it's from the software or if it's from you? It's as simple as that. Do you understand? Hope you guys are hearing what I'm saying.
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to take some questions in just 2 minutes. Just ask your question, then I'll go straight to the training. The training is not difficult. It is very, very, very simple. In less than 5 minutes, we are done. Once we're done, just screenshot, send me your email. This night, I will activate you guys as 15 here. I will activate everybody 15. Then next week again, I'll book another time to call for another training. Another set of persons will come. I'll do the same thing until I exhaust the 90 persons there. Do you understand? I know any person that is coming in is going to pay for the services. It's as simple as that. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me now before we continue, please. Ask your question before we continue.
I have a question, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. There are some times I will check out on a candle, and because I know you said you should buy from 0 to 3 candle, right?
You said what?
You said you made it clear that we should buy from 0 to 3 candle, right?
Yes.
Good. There are some times I will check the candles and it will be on 4, 5, and I'll still try to put a trade, and sometimes it comes in for me. Like sometimes
it does work.
Sometimes 80% it comes in for me. It will hit my take profit.
Okay.
So I don't know if it is wrong to take any trade from like 4, 5, 6 candles, because I have seen a candle that does 27 candles.
Okay. Now, the reason why we specify it to be 0 to 3 candle is the way the software is being designed. That 0 to 3 candle is that is the starting point when the market is starting to buy or when the market is starting to sell. So we take advantage of it. That doesn't mean that from 7 to whatever candle is not going to buy, but the guarantee is we don't buy from middle. We either buy from the what's it called, from the bottom, or we sell from the top. Yes, that's the reason why for 0 to 3 candles when the market is starting. Any other thing is a risk, because you might think the market is going to buy from the middle, maybe 7 candle. At the end of the day, it will reverse back to where it started from. Let's say, for instance, it started from 0 candle and it has done like 80 pips to like 7 candles, 7 hours, and you went to enter from 7 hours and your stop loss is 80 pips. It might come back and take you out. Do you understand? So we don't buy from the middle, we only buy from the low. You understand? And sell from the high. That's why we make it sure it's 0 to 3 candle. Just stick to the rule. And the reason why I'm doing this training, because everybody here, I have activated. Look at this one. It's still asking me Zoom. See, there are so many unserious persons here. It's all right. Let's move on. I wanted to say something. Now, the reason for all this training is that all the upgrade that we are doing, we are phasing out the manual aspect little by little. So all the setup are being loaded in the notification, and everybody that is subscribing, we are giving you free access to notification, even the discounts and all that. We are giving you notification, the well trade notification. So most especially, you don't really need to be waiting for the candle or doing it manually, waiting for the candle to get to what's it called 7 candle before you take it. Once your signal comes, it always gives you a signal from 0 candle once there's a notification. So that's the importance of that notification. Immediately, if it's buying, it's telling you it's buying from what? That 0 candle. That's where the notification comes. If you missed out that one, it will notify you again 1 candle. If you missed out again, it will notify you 2 candle. That's all. Do you understand?
Yes,
So let me take one more question again before we move on.
Good evening,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes, sir. Please, what's the minimum deposit for well trade, sir?
I will use myself for example. I am using $50 to trade. Do you understand? And that trade I'm trading, people are copying that trade. So with that $50, on a very good day, how am I going to put it? Okay, for this week from Sunday till, what's it called? Sunday till Thursday. I traded today, and Sunday till Thursday. Today is Thursday. I've made $26 by using the lowest lot size. So you can use $50 to trade. You don't need to stack. One position is okay.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, with time, as I'm speaking to you now, in less than, we have used that account for nothing less than 29 days. On Friday now, we make it 30 days, and I've done 115% of that account, meaning I've done 100% of that account. I've withdrawn $50 out of it without risking too much, 0.01, risking just $8 per trade.
Okay, sir.
And apart from that, we have our risk management that you can use. Everything about well trade has been built into the system. So long as synthetic, we are not afraid of news. Everything has been built. Your lot size, your stop loss, your signal, everything is there. All you need to do, wait for the signal, place your trade, just use your hand to click buy and sell, finish. Your stop loss is there. Your your lot size calculator is there. Very simple as ABCD. If you follow the rule, the way I'm trading it, you still make money from it. It's not 100% sure, but at the end of the day, if you stick to the plan, you make money. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So let me take one more question before we move on. The training is very simple. It's no stress. Very, very simple. Go ahead, sir. Innocent, go ahead, please. No time. Be fast.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
please. Please. You talked about selling, and based on some experience that I got from some admin, there was someone who was trading one of my accounts with
Go ahead. Go ahead.
and I was monitoring the accounts. He 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 entered a sell when the trade was on the top. He entered sell, but I was monitoring, thinking that the trade will come down. But the trade continued buying, going high until even the account of $100 that already made a $50 profit, which is $150. The account went down to seven US.
Okay.
You see, so just like the account's blown off. You understand what I'm saying? So that's
Okay.
what I want to, because they are already they buy was on the top, so he was expecting it maybe to come down. Then he entered sell, hoping that it continues going, so continue going high
I,
until he
I don't
announced.
I don't understand your question, sir. I don't understand your question. Mr.
Maybe if
Innocent,
you,
I don't understand
maybe
your
if you,
question.
maybe, sir, maybe you should just ask, maybe is the software that gave you the signal, or maybe just plays a trade on its own.
Mr. Innocent, is it the software that you got the signal from, or you're the one that plays the trade on by yourself? All right. I will not use this one to delay ourselves. So let's go straight to the point. Let's go straight to the point. So hope everybody is seeing my screen. Hope everybody is seeing my screen. All right. Now, the software, it is very, 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 well, when I mean very, very simple, it is very simple. Very simple. Now, the notification aspect is the key. You must activate your notification before you can get all the complete setup, because there are a lot of things we've uploaded into the notification aspect. So once you've done your notification and you're not receiving notification, all you need to do is chat me up. It's very simple. I'm very, very simple. Chat me up. I'll tell you when to call me. You will share your screen on WhatsApp and I will help you activate your notification for you. It's as simple as that. But you can as well just come to this place, control access, click on training video. Just practice what you're seeing there. Training video, look at it. How to activate device notification. Once you watch this video here, this one that you're seeing, hold on, let me get this pen so that you can be seeing what I'm doing. Just hold on, guys, hold on. Okay, the pen is already there. So you just watch this video here, this one here, how to activate device notification. Follow it step by step. Once you activate it, you receive your welcome message. First of all, you receive a thank you message and a welcome message. Then you will now load all your pair. Notification will start coming. Thereby, you don't really need the manual aspect of it, because I'm giving everybody access to free notification and access to the software for life. For those of you who are here, it's as simple as that. So you watch this first. Try your best to activate the notification. If it's working, or if it doesn't work, then you can chat me up. Then I'll give you the time for you to call me via WhatsApp. You share your screen and I will help you enable it. It works. So this one, you have to do it yourself. Just watch the video. Everything has been explained in details. So let's move on this one. Then after you must have done that, the next thing you need to do, it is very simple. Once your notification is working, because now I'm not teaching you about manual, because there's a lot of stuff we've added into the notification, most especially in what retracement setup. There's a lot resistance support, a lot of signals there. So you can only get those setup from what your notification is, as simple as that. So you come here, all you need to do, click on history. Once you click on history, look at it. These are the setup that you will use. You can use Ganesha Pro, Ganesha Pro Mass, retracement setup, what's it called? Trend history, complete trend signal. Those are the what setup you expected to load. Forget about sniper entry, forget about trend direction. Now, these ones that I'm going to mark, look at it, look very well. This one, I'm going to mark this Ganesha Pro Mass, and which other setup there is here. We don't have Smash 100 here. Now, these two setup in well trade, these two must go through the theta signal and the check rate accuracy in the inbuilt charts. You must check. If it's telling you to buy, you get a notification for Ganesha Pro to buy. And you must check the direction of the signal. If it's in a bullish move, and you must check the rate of the signal, it must be above 74% before you can take those trades. Then this one you're seeing, this retracement setup and this complete signal, you don't need to go to the inbuilt chart to check if the signal is what. You don't need to check the rate. At the same time, you don't need to check the theta signal. Everything has been built into this one. It's only these two that you're getting all those things from. Now, let's say, for instance, you've loaded all your pairs. It's very simple. Just click history. Click here, you load. So let's use one as an example. All I need to do is just click here and load all my pairs. You can see everything has been loaded in. So whenever there is a signal, I will get notified. Once I get notified, let's assume now I get notified that I should sell, what's it called? Flip X4. I should sell Flip X4. All I need to do now is go to my synthetic, World Trade Synthetic, go to inbuilt charts. If my signal is coming from Ganesha Pro and it tells me to sell Flip X4, I must, is a must. I must check the theta signal. I must check the signal rates. But if it's coming from retracement setup, I don't need to check this. The only thing I need to check is the resistance, if it's close to a resistance or support. Simple as ABCD. Before I move on, hope you guys understand what I just said now. If you're getting your signal from what? Ganesha Pro Max, both in Forex and any other thing, any other setup, you must check your theta signal, you must check your rates. But if it's coming from retracement setup or complete signal trend, you don't need to check your theta signal, you don't need to check the rate because everything has been built into it. All you need to do is check if price is close to a resistance or support. Simple as what? ABCD. Now let's move back. Let's go back to it. So let's say, for instance, I got notification to sell Flip X4. All I need to do is come here, load this pair. Once I load this pair, it's telling me to sell. For instance, I'll come here, check if the signal is in a bullish direction. So let's say it told me to sell, and I came here, it's telling me very strong bullish. This signal is wrong already. I cannot take that trade. I'll still come here, check the rate signal. As you can see, the accuracy, there's nothing to write home about. I cannot take that trade. I'll still move on. I'll still check my theta, the key level. All I'm looking for now, if it's telling me to buy, if price is close to what? A resistance or support, because we can't buy when price is already close to a resistance. There should be a distance. So let's say, for instance, the software told me to buy. I can buy because there's a space for me to move to the next level. You need to understand this thing very well. There's a space for me to move to the next level. But if it's telling me to sell, it's already close to a resistance here. So I cannot be selling when there's a resistance under me. There are two ways involved. It's either it bounces off or what? It will break. So before we take our buy or our sell, there must be a distance. Be it pivot, be it resistance, be it this red line, this one. There should be a distance to where we are heading to. It's as simple as that. Let me rephrase again. If you have got your signal from what? Retracement setup, you don't need to check this guy that I'm marking X. You don't need to check this guy. All you need to do, just check if it's close to a resistance or support. Simple as ABCD. If your signal is coming from Ganesha Pro Max, you must, is a must. This is a filter that will help you know if that signal is correct. This is the setup that will help you check the accuracy of that signal. It's as simple as that. Once you've done all this, the next thing you need to do, go back to this chart, click on risk management so that you can get the stop loss, the exact stop loss everybody is using. Just come here. If you don't know how to calculate 80 pip stop loss, just come here. Click on risk management. Simple as ABCD. Select that pair. Put your equity. If it's $50, put it. It will give you 0.01. This is exactly what you're going to use. One position at a time. That is what I'm using for well trade. Then this is your stop loss. Copy this thing and put it as a stop loss. Then you can go back and use any of those key levels as your take profit. Simple as ABCD. You allow the trade to ride. Even if you are having a drawdown, let it hit your SL first. Because there are sometimes trade will have a drawdown. You'll be minus $6, $5. At the end of the day, you'll still be in profit. So you don't need to panic because everything has been calculated. Now, if for instance, I'm using $50, if I hit stop loss, I am only going to lose $8 because I'm using 80 pips stop loss. It's as simple as that. Are you guys understanding me?
Yes.
It's very, very simple. That's why I'm taking my time for you to understand this thing. Don't just close trade because you are in a drawdown. Before you come into Forex, you should know that you are risking something. Forex is a very risky business. I know that this $50 I'm putting or this $1,000 or $500 I'm putting, I'm willing to risk it. So you don't just panic because you're having a drawdown. Allow it to hit your SL. Once it hits your SL, you know that this trade is over. Then if another signal comes, you take it. But I can guarantee you that out of 10 trade, you win nothing less than 7. I've used it for more than 28 days now, and people are benefiting from it. So what you need to do, first thing first, activate your device notification. If you cannot activate your device notification, chat me up. I'll give you the time that you're going to call me. Once you call me, you share your screen. I'll help you do that. Then you load your pairs. Once signal comes for everybody. If I receive it, you're going to receive it. Everybody will receive it. You follow this step. Go to your inbuilt chart. Check the filter signal. Check the rate. Check if it's close to resistance or support. Then place your trade quietly. It's as simple as that. The training is not more than this. I just want to fulfill all I just said. Make sure everybody is following what I am doing. So if you still don't understand what we are doing here, you can ask your question. The training is over. All you need to do now, everybody that is here, you guys are 24. All you need to do, just screenshot yourself so that I'll know you're there. Give me your email address. I will activate these 24 persons that are here. Activate full access for life, because to me now, I have trained you on what you need to know. So I'm not going to be afraid that you're doing a different thing. If you're doing a different thing, I will be able to track from your history. I'll know where you took the trade. I'll be able to trace the software, if it's the software that gave you the signal, that gave you profit or gave you loss. That's the reason why I'm doing all this. Do you understand? So after this meeting now, screenshot yourself. Let me see that you're here. You understand? Let me know that you're here. Give me your email address. I will activate it for you. No stress. I'll activate it for you. Then I'll know that you can deliver out there. But trust me, you're going to make money from it. So let me take your question. If you still don't understand what you're doing here, please ask me. Let me hit the nail on the head. No time. Feel free, ask me any question. If it's forex, anything, just ask me. Let's hit the nail on the head, please. I'm waiting. No, if no question, well, let's call it a day. Just screenshot, send me your email address. I will attend to you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead, sir.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Please, on what country are these things operating?
You said? Please go ahead. Be audible. No time. I'm working with time.
The time frame that the Bekenet is operating.
Okay, I understand where you're coming from. Okay, you're still in the other world. We are in a different world here, totally. You understand? We don't use time frame.
Because that guy I was
listen. I understand where you're coming from.
There was
other people they use
listen. He had about $100, and when he
hello,
entered,
Mr. Rita, listen to me. Listen. I've understood your question already. Outside the other world, they use time frame to analyze the chart and all that. We don't analyze here. Are you hearing me? Please listen to me. We don't do analysis here.
$18.
Hello.
Please go ahead.
Okay, so sir, on the web trade, under the risk management,
yes.
When we place your equity, you will now have the stop loss.
Yes.
You will see your stop loss, your loss size, everything. Then the take profit is not there.
Yeah, take profit will always use the key levels in the inbuilt charts. Those green lines you're saying, that's what we use.
So what I want to ask is that unlike the web trade, so under the risk management, if you when you can see your stop loss, is it the same thing with those forex? Because on this app now, somebody that have not subscribed cannot go through the forex, cannot see anything there now.
Yes, yes. The forex is on a subscription base. Even currently, right now, the world trade is on subscription base. Just as you guys have
So what
already.
I'm trying to say now is it the way it is in the on the web trade? Is it the same thing? The risk management still appear on the forex trade if at all you are checking your pairs
Yes, yes.
under
It's
the
the
risk
same thing.
management.
It's the same thing, sir. It's
Okay.
the same thing.
Unlike the
Yes.
other question is that we are on copy trading on this
Yeah.
web trade.
Yeah.
Now before somebody can trade on this personally on this web trade, they need to fund an account.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Yes, you need to open a synthetic account if you want to trade personally. You need to open a synthetic account and fund that account. You get your login details and log in into MT5. But if you're copying my trade, all you need to do is just fund your World Trade wallet, then you copy me. But if you want to trade by yourself,
So
you create.
what's the list? What's the least amount to deposit on this web trade when you want
Yes,
to
I'll use
trade
myself
personally?
as an example. I am using $50 to trade on World Trade, and that is what you guys are copying. So you can use $50 to do the same. Okay.
So
Okay.
the other question, unlike the other question is that under this crypto,
Just now.
there are some pairs when you check, like if you check your inbuilt chart, maybe you get
Yes.
some signal to carry on trade from the zero candle one or two. So when you want to
Yes.
place the trade, those
Yes.
like some pairs are not there for you to place trade.
Which of the pairs? Which of the pairs? Is it World Trade or crypto?
No, on crypto.
Crypto is a different department. Crypto is a different department.
So
There are some pairs. There are some pairs we removed. There are some pairs we allowed there. So it's only the ones that you see there. That is the one that is functioning. The ones that you see there.
Hello?
That's the only one that is functioning.
okay, so well,
Hello.
uh,
Yes. Go ahead.
Please, I have a question. People like we that are very new, then I would like you to break it down how we can join you on the world trades, trading, and just a bit introduction on how
Okay.
the
For you guys who are new, unfortunately, I'm so sorry about it. The free access has been stopped since on the 3rd. So if you want to gain access, you have to pay $55 per month for Forex, $55 for synthetic, $55 for World Trade. But if you applied before on the 3rd and you've gotten approval, you don't need to pay any money for World Trade. It's free for life. But for now, it has been monetized. Okay.
no, I joined before thought. I joined before the end of last month.
Okay, you've done yours before the end of last month.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so what is your question now?
Now my question is how to the just a little explanation on how to get on the world trade and how to copy trade you on it. If you are saying
Is it how to use the app on WellTrade or how to
yes,
use
yes.
WellTrade MT5?
How to use the Bekenet on the world trade.
It is very simple now. It is very simple
Okay.
stuff. Simple as ABCD. Okay, very, very simple. Now, if you have the app, you have access to it. All you need to do, activate your notification. Once you activate your notification, you're not doing anything again. You come here, click on this. Are you seeing my screen? Click on this, click on
Yes.
training videos. Click on training videos. Once you click on training videos, click this. Watch this video to know how to activate your notification. Once you've activated your notification, this one you're seeing here. Once you
Okay.
activated your notification, you come back to this place. Go to Well Trade, load your pairs. Now you're loading the pairs so that whenever there's a signal, it will notify you. So you don't really need to do anything. It will just tell you buy or sell. Once it tell you buy or sell, you just come here, load all the pairs. Click it and load. Just load. So if there's a signal, it will notify you. Pam, pam. Once you get that notification, buy or sell, you go to the inbuilt chart, check your filter signal, check the signal rate. If everything, the rate is showing well above 74, the signal rate, sorry, the theta signal align with the signal that he gave to you. Because if he's telling you buy, the theta signal will be bullish. If he's telling you sell, the theta signal will be bearish. If those ones align, the two align, then you will not check the input chart to check if it's close to resistance or support. All these things I'm telling you will not take you up to 2 minutes. Check if it's close to resistance or support before you take your trade. Then you now go to the risk management to generate your stop loss and your lot size. Simple as what? ABCD. Then you take your trade, allow the market to do its thing. Okay?
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Okay, I have a question.
Go ahead, sir.
I have a question. Yes. All right. Thank you so much for this training. In fact, it has really expanded my understanding. If I actually have two questions. The first one is with the notification system. Does it work? Does the notification come even when one's data is not on, or is it only when the data is on the phone or on the device? That's the first question. Then the second question is that last month, being February, there were 12 persons whom you mapped out, who, in fact, whom you graciously mapped out that, okay, there will be a special assistance in which you grant to them with respect to the account that trade overtook and all that and was wiped out. So you said you were going to assist to help them out. I want to ask if in this new month that you mentioned, whether the plan is still up and running. So my two questions.
Let me answer the first one. The first one is if the notification comes up without data. The notification only works with data. It's just like if somebody sent you a message on WhatsApp. If you don't have data, you will not receive that message. The same thing with it.
Yeah.
So your data
without data, yes.
Yes, your data must be on. Why was it called? The copy trading. We did our first copy trading. We started January.
Okay.
We did 3 withdrawals or so before you guys came in. So immediately you guys came in, the system was malfunctioning. We lost.
Yes.
Then I promised you guys, and I funded everybody about 16 of people. I funded you people $10, which is about 15,000. Gave everybody, and we still lost that amount.
Yes.
I said that with time, I am going to do something about it. But along the line, a lot of person was talking trash and all that. On a normal day, I am not expected to give anybody a dime because I lost my own money there too. Because if you calculate the money I lost, I funded $50 and I see credited about 15 persons, 15,000, which is almost $170. So I lost about $200 and something on that first January. Do you understand? And a lot of person was still talking trash, so I decided to stop everything.
Yes.
And I started a new copy trading account to prove to you guys that the system is working. And we're already running in 29 days or something. And some people have made withdrawals back to back on it. Do you understand? So for that past one is gone. So if anybody that want to come in should fund his own account and be responsible of whatever thing that is happening. That's why you say I don't talk about it again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Wow. The people that were speaking trash were not those 12. Sorry.
Yes.
Hello. I said the people who were talking trash were not the 12 that you picked out. It was others who had no business with it.
It's still the same thing. I've already made my decision. I wanted to funded some person again, but I found out that human being is only when it is sweet. Because when they were making withdrawals, they made withdrawals like 3 times. Nobody used to say that I made profit. Nobody posted anything. Nothing. It's only when we had issue with the account, everybody started ranting. So I said, let everybody carry it first. Because I funded mine, started again. I've almost returned what I lost before. And other person did the same thing. So that matter should end the way it is. So whoever that want to copy should fund your account or copy or you trade by yourself. Simple as ABC.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Yes, sir.
That's really serious.
Hello,
Yes,
hello,
sir.
Professor. Sir.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
This is where I will submit the
Chairman, good evening.
screenshot and the email.
Go ahead. To my WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
We're almost done.
My question.
Go ahead.
But then, sir, is it possible to copy your trade, to copy your trading, then still have your own personal account too?
You said?
Is it possible to for someone to copy your trading, then still have his own personal account too?
Yes, of course. You can be trading by yourself and at the same time still copy my trade. It's your money that is counting. You can fund both account and copy your trade. Simple as ABC. Currently now the copy trading we have is only for world trade.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm talking about World Trade as well.
Yes, that's the only copy trading service we have, only for world trade.
Thank you, sir.
All right. One more question. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. So if you're here, just screenshot. Once you screenshot, send me your email address and we'll activate you. You're good to go. I'll still carry out this training until I've completed in 90%. Then I know that I've fulfilled all righteousness. Then go ahead, please. Ask your question. If no question, we're done. Ask your question, please.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Sorry, mine is not a question, but I just want to say something.
Yes.
So, for some months, some weeks, I've not been online because of I had issues with my phone. But I just learned that people have been saying trash about because they lost their money. Well, I must appreciate you because you've done a lot. People will not be saying things about you all the time. But there are people that have been on this platform right from almost the beginning of this platform. I am one of them. And if I tell you I have not benefited from this platform, there are some times, even I'm not saying this for it to fit anybody, but there are some times I will come to your DM and say, and you say, okay, fine, go ahead and do it. You are one of the persons I have seen that is very much considerate. You consider a lot and you accommodate people a lot. Even when people are making mistakes, you still take your time to come and correct us. And people will come out and want to spoil the good things you've done. For me, I would say, just keep a deaf ear to those people. We that will have benefited from it, we know what is at stake. I would know. In forex, you don't win all the time. There must be a loss. So I must say we are sorry for whatever they say to you concerning what happened. We are sorry.
No problem.
Forgive us.
All right. We've moved on already. No challenge.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right. So I think
So I have a question, Chairman, please.
All right.
Just
go straight to the point.
Just so I'll be clear, the World Trade, can we have two accounts?
Hello?
Maybe we are using one for copy trading and using the other one for trading by ourselves. Is it possible that way? Or the copy trading and live trading
for better understanding.
The same account?
Hold on. For better understanding, World Trade is like an underneath broker. So you can open 1,000 accounts so long you can remember their login. You can do anything you're doing, the same thing you're doing in your own personal broker. Do you understand? So you can be copying my trade. You can be copying like 5 people's trade. You can at the same time you can still be trading on your own. It's nothing special.
Okay.
It's just a normal broker. Okay.
It's okay. Thank you.
Right. So I think we should call it a day. Just screenshots, and I will activate you guys. Just follow the way. If you're still confused, you can as well go to the menu. Everything they are the same thing. Just watch the training video. Once you watch this training video, you understand how to use the software. It's very simple. Most notifications will get your notification working. If your notification is not working, just message me quietly. Then I'll book a time for you to help you activate your notification. Watch this video. If you still don't understand.
I want to appeal for something.
You sir?
Can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Currently I'm not using my own personal phone. I'm using somebody's phone. So my details, my WhatsApp is not in my phone. I'm already on Telegram. So I don't know if I can drop my own Telegram.
If you can do what?
Because I'm very appreciative for me. So I don't know if I can drop my own message on Telegram.
Your own phone on Telegram.
My own personal phone is still under repair. And the device I'm using now is somebody's phone. I'm only using Telegram on the phone and my CDC.
So what do you want? Just tell me what you want.
What I want is, can I drop my message for you on Telegram?
You can drop your message anywhere. Yeah, we have two Telegram channels like this.
No, I mean the screenshot.
Drop it on WhatsApp. Drop it on, because it's your email. I don't want to drop it.
That's what I'm saying. My WhatsApp is not active correctly.
Okay, drop it on a private message as a Telegram. It's not in the chat. Just it.
No problem, sir. No problem. No problem. Thank you, sir.
All right. So I think we're done. Okay, Mr. Ima want to ask question. Just ask. Let's use the opportunity to play it. Mr. Ima, go ahead. Please go ahead. If no question, let's call it a day.
So,
yes.
Thank you very much.
So, please, still want you to, like the area of withdrawal, still want you to work us on a process whereby we can make a withdrawal by ourselves.
I've guided you before to make withdrawal now on public.
And but it's the first time I'm not catch up over it.
And on Saturday, definitely we'll make it withdrawal. On Saturday is
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So, any other question? All right. We should call it a day. Every other thing, send it to me on WhatsApp so that I'll activate it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you. Appreciate you.